Hey guys, today is for the second episode of the Multiply software. In this episode, we're going to talk about the drawing tools, and let's get started. First, let's create the design first, okay? The empty design. Just enter into the canvas first. Wait for a while. The first drawing tool I'm going to talk about is the navigation hand. First, zoom in, okay? Zoom in on the canvas and press the left click of the mouse, and then you can move the canvas to somewhere you like. Okay, this is function for this icon. But during the process, you have to press the left click of the mouse all the time until you move the canvas to somewhere you like. Okay, this is the first one, and the second one, the first click is the start point, and the second click is the end point. You know, a piece of canvas has been selected. Wait a minute, let me first make some patterns inside first. Okay, pattern first, and click this one, select it, okay? The first click is the start point, the end point, the pattern has been selected. Then click the selection box again. You can move or I would say you can duplicate the pattern to somewhere. You have to click again to confirm. So the pattern has been duplicated. But if you want to cut the pattern to somewhere, what you should do? First, again, select it and click again. In the process of moving the pattern, you have to press the CTRL all the time till move to a certain place and click again. See, the pattern has been cut to somewhere. Right? This is the second icon. For the third one, the pen, it's easy. Now the current color is number 2, right? So choose this one and click on the canvas. A dot has been created based on the code, the number 2 here. Okay, the line as well. First click start point, and the second click as the end point. You can draw a line on the canvas. Also, you can draw a line at any directions you like. Okay, this is the line icon. The next one, the curve. The usage of the curve is a little bit different from that of the line. First, choose this icon, then press the left click of the mouse. Okay, don't lose it. Okay, don't lose the left click until you confirm the second point. Okay, then for instance, this is the distance I want, or I would say this is the distance I want for this curve. Then lose the left click. You can adjust the arc now till it meets the arc that you want. Okay, then click, the curve has been created. Next one, the hollow rectangle, easy. The usage is like the selection box. Okay, choose this one, first click, second click, the hollow one has been created. The solid one as well. The usage is the same. Okay, and I'm going, like that. Okay. The hollow ellipse and the solid ellipse, the diamond, all the same, so I'm going to skip it. The polyline, wait a minute. Okay, first click, it doesn't show anything, right? Just the white spot here. The second click, create the line. Then the third click, you can confirm the 4 edges of the shape. Okay, the triangle can be made. But it's not over. You can create the rectangle or even the hexagon, okay, or even more edges if you like. If you want to end the action, just double click. See, the shape with multiple edges can be made. The next one, the solid one. Okay, the solid one, same action. Okay, see, double click and end the action. What's going on now? The next one, the closed curve, the closed curve full, the solid curve. I'm not going to. It's really being used, okay, in the practice of the programming. So the next one, the text. Click this icon and click the canvas again. The frame pops up. So you can, type in words here. 此行 whole garment. Then, if you want to change the size of the word, the text, click the parameters. Then you can change fonts or the size of the text you want to type in on the canvas. Okay, just confirm, press OK, and move it to the certain place. The next one, line copy. Let me make the shape first with 4 number 2 codes, right, to create the small rectangle here, and select the pattern first. Then click the line copy. The hotkey on the keyboard is the B. Okay, just type in the B on the keyboard. You can trigger this function. Click box again. The line can be created based on the cycles of this pattern, right? At any direction you like. The next one, the matrix copy. Like the line copy. The line copy creates the line. The matrix copy creates the plane, like that. Okay, same usage as like the line copy. The batch copy. Let me Ctrl+Z to redo the action before I did. Okay. The next one, the batch copy. First, we have to select the pattern first. Okay, select it and choose the batch copy and click the select one again and place it somewhere with a certain distance that you want to copy the pattern. Okay, the direction you have to confirm as well. Okay, and in the following duplications, the direction has been confirmed, the distance has been confirmed between each patterns. Okay, and then you just type in the numbers here to confirm how many patterns you want to duplicate. For instance, I'm going to create a more. Okay, a more and execute. So in total there are 10 patterns here now. Okay, the next one, horizontal mirror. Let me first create a rectangle first. And that's it. So first select it, okay, like some tools we tapped before. Select it and click the which one? Horizontal mirror. Okay, now click the select one. See, the rectangle has been flipped. So if you want to flip and duplicate at the same time, just take this one. Okay, then click again. Not only the shape has been duplicated, but flip as well and move it to somewhere. Okay, the vertical mirror, same. Okay, just do it in the vertical way. Just flip in the vertical way. The next one, mirror copy. It can duplicate and flip the pattern in 4 directions, and you just choose one of them. The next one, we can see the rectangle is hollow inside, right? It's filled with number 0. So I'm going to put the number 1 inside the rectangle. How to fill it? Use this icon. First, switch the current color to 1. Then click this icon, fill, and click inside the hollow one. The triangle has been occupied by number 1, right? And the next one, the fill copy. So this time, not only I want to fill the hollow rectangle, but I want to have some pattern there. The cycles, I want to go this way. For instance, number 6 on the left side, number 7 on the right side. Okay, I want to have this cycles duplicated inside the rectangle. So select it, right click, copy first, then click the fill copy, move it on the hollow the rectangle, then click it. See, so the cycles of number 6 and 7 has been duplicated here, right? And this is the usage for this one. The next one, cover place. Again, we have to select a piece of canvas first. Here, I'm just create some more cover patterns. Okay. and then select them all. Click the cover place and click the slide box again. If you slide again, all the colors inside the slide box show up here. So this time I'm going to replace the number 1 with number 11. Okay, press OK, click OK. Then the number 1 is gone inside the selection box, right? Then the line fill, slide box, click this one. The current color is 19. Click, line copy, right inside the sliding box. Want vertical way, click, take this one. Vertical action, okay. Next one, resize. Change the size of the canvas. Now the size is 200 needles with 300 rows. If you think the canvas is too huge, just reduce the 3000 to 2000. The next 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next 5, the usage is the same, and that's really being used in the program action, in the daily program action. Okay, just show you one. Okay, now the current color is number 1, so I want to have the borders on the upper part of the rectangle. Click the border up and click the rectangle. What's going on? Should I select the rectangle first? Okay, try it again. The border upper. See, the border has been created on the top of the rectangle, right? The bottom, left, right, and borders all around the rectangles. I'm not going to show it. And the next one, clean. If you use this icon, all the colors inside the canvas will be disappeared, except the ones that you selected. Create some pattern, create some colorful patterns here. Okay, then slide this one and choose the clean. Click outside of the selection box. The color outside the selection box are gone on the canvas. The colors inside the selection box exist, and you can also do it in the opposite side way. See, click inside the box. The colors are gone inside the selection box. Okay. The next one, rotation. Create a line first, then select the line, click the rotate, and change the angle that you want to rotate the line. 45, for instance. Okay, the clockwise, and click. Yeah, right. Click. The line has been rotated. The next one, the stretch. Select the rectangle first. Okay, and the current size is. You don't have to change the current size in the information bar. Which one? Wait a minute. Okay, stretch here. If you click, the size of the rectangle shows up inside this bar. The width 19, the height 12, right? This is the current size. And if you want to, increase the width from 19 to 25, okay, just type in there, click again. See, the width has been increased, right? And put it somewhere. If you want to keep the ratio between the current width and the height, just click this one and try to create again. 50, all right? Click the second one. See, the ratio has been kept, right? The next one, shadow. It's a little bit complicated to explain. Again, create the rectangle first, and fill it. Okay, fill it with the same color. Slide first and click the shadow. Now I want to add the edge on the bottom of the shape. Create the edge with different color, but manually. But if you want to use a shortcut to create the edges attached on the irregular edge of the shape, you can use the shadow. First, the base color 4. Okay, 4. The shadow, the new color 1. Okay, the override is the detection number 4, I mean there's border there, right? New color will be created based on the number 4, or if you choose the number 1, that means the new color will be created based on the number 1, not on the shape. Okay, not on the shape. So let's try it. Detection number 4. I want to have the new border attached on this line, right? So it's on the bottom of this line. So choose this one. See, the edges attached on this line of the triangle. Okay, and if you want to have it on the left side, create a left arrow here. One bottom arrow. Okay, and this is usage of the shadow. A little bit complicated. Let me try it again. Okay, based on this rectangle. So the base color is number 3, and the one number 2 on top above the number 3. Okay, here. I mean on top of the rectangle. So choose the top arrow. See, the border has been created above the rectangle. Click the left arrow here. The border has been created, right? Next one, magic wand. I mean, choose this icon and select the shape, and click again. I mean, you can duplicate the shape. But things you have to notice that only the shape that each code, the same code connect with each other can be duplicated. See, there are 2 colors here on this shape. It consists of number 2 and number 3. Only 3, can be duplicated here, because each codes are connected with each other. Now the number 2 connect with each other, so you can select it and duplicate the line to somewhere. Okay, if you cut the line, I mean put 1 here, the line consists of 2 colors, right? And the number 2 is blocked by number 1, so only some part of the line can be selected by the magic wand and duplicated somewhere. Okay. The next one, the irregular selection. Just click multiple times to choose the irregular shape. Okay. The usage is the same with the selection box. Select it, double click to enter the action, and then click again to duplicate the shape somewhere, or cut the shape somewhere. Okay. Next one, zoom in, zoom out. Okay. I don't want to explain. Zoom in, zoom out. The next one, insert delete in selection. That means you have to select the pattern first. First, select this shape and click this icon. Okay, the box pops up, and first let's try to insert with the empty rows, just 1 row here. Okay, so click. See, the empty rows has been inserted in the middle of the rectangle. If you want to, repeat the row, just click here. Click. You can insert the same rows. If you want to insert multiple rows, many rows, you can set a number here, 4. So insert 4 rows at the same time. Columns. Okay, you either have to choose the left arrow or the right arrow. Choose the left arrow. That means the duplicate columns will be show up on the left side of the cursor. See, if you want to increase the column on the right side, choose the right arrow. Okay. Once you increase the rows above the curve, choose the upper arrow. See, bottom, choose this one. And the next one, replace pattern. Let me create another rectangle first. Triangle, not rectangle. And now I want a code on the corner here. I want replaced by number 2. So you first, and in the first place, you have to select the patterns with the same natures. The nature is that let's try to select these 6 grids here, right? The nature is that the codes at this position, upward connects number 1, left side connects 0, and the downside connects the number 0. So click the replace pattern replace by, place here, and the same nature here, right? See, this one is the code I want to replace by number 2. It shares the same situation. Upward connects number 1, left side connects number 0, downside connects number 0, right? So style is great. Then find. So here, the corners here are the situation are the same, right? So select it and replace. Check this out. The code on the corner here have all been replaced by number 2, and this is usage of the package replace. The next one on the color converse. Let me use the 21 to demonstrate. I mean, this is loop from the front to the back and shift one needle to the left, right? Select it, click this one, click it. See, before the action is, front loop transfer to the back. Now, back loop transfer to the front. I mean, this is the usage of this code to reverse the code, okay? And the next one, shape tool. If you want to, recreate the outlines of the shape, okay, click it. You can, recreate the outlines of the whole garment sweater, okay, if you like. And you can choose many styles of the whole garment here. The regular sweater, the flat shoe sweater, the saddle shoulder sweater, parachute sweater, and the sloping shoulder sweater with different types of necks: turtleneck, round neck, V-neck, right? And we'll explain in the next episode. Not now, okay? Not now. Just press next to confirm the density, the size, etc. with different settings, okay? And until turns to the grab rail, where here you can change the outlines of the sweater, and click next. I mean, the whole garment has been created. Check this out and duplicate to somewhere, okay? Hurry up, bro. Okay, that's it. Ctrl+Z, cancel it. Okay. Then the next one, open KPF library. This is library for the package. Click it and you can get many packages. Okay, depends on your need, right? The jackers, the packages down the jacker grid, the model symbol. Try to find out by yourself. Next one, the codes of column situation in user diagram. I don't explain now, okay? We may talk in the future. Next one, racking definition, the racking position. See, type 1, I mean the back needle bed racking one needle to the right, -8, meaning racking 5 needle to the left, right? And the following icon I'm not going to talk about now, okay? Will be explained when we create the whole garment. This is usage of all the drawing tools in the Model Plus software. And that's it for today. And see you guys. All right.